up. Let it line up now. Good.
Okay, now check on.
I'll check.
Let's see.
Yeah.
Okay, start cranking, Rosie. Forward, crank forward. Come forward. There you go, like that. Good job, Rosie. Good job, you got it. Good job, Ollie too. Look, there's a fish. You caught. That's it. That's enough, Rose. It's a grunt. You got a grunt now. You got two species of fish. You have a new species called grunt. It's just a white grunt.
I'll get two.
You want to unhook it? And maybe show. I can show it to her. Unless you want to show it to her. Rosie, look. You want to touch it?
Yeah, touch it.
You can touch the face a little bit.
Touch the face. It won't bite you. They don't have teeth.
I'll show you something. Look at the mouth. Look at the color of the mouth. The mouth is red, you see. You want to touch it? Go ahead.
Touch the thing.
Touch it, yes.
Wow, so
Okay,
funny.
bye bye fish. Say bye fish.